Okay, we are from Vigilant India. Government has passed a law on ban on music played in disc and clubs after 12:30. Do you think it's right on their part to do so?
It's in a way right if the people around, like the environment, they're getting disturbed and all. Like it shouldn't happen in residential areas, but then if it's a place where if it's an area where there's similar kind of nightclubs and things like that, then I think it's fine. Like it should go on
But basically people, do meetings, then they have work in daytime, and after that they have time to, relax and chill out with friends at night. But that movement will also be stolen, taken from people. Then I don't think so it's right on their part. Government is they're telling it's a cause of rape and all that. Do you think they are, it makes sense that it causes rape or something else?
No, that's pointless if you say something like that. If rape is going to happen, it can happen in daylight too. It's not necessary that it'll happen at night. And they shouldn't give such a reason for banning all these things. If they have a more reasonable, argument, then maybe we can even consider it. But giving this idea just shows how narrow-minded they are. I don't think this is a good example.
Okay. The government has passed law on playing music in disc and bars after 12:30. Do you think it's right on their part?
Yes, it is.
It's right on their part. So जो मीटिंग करते हैं सुबह, जिनकी ऑफिस रहती है, उनको रात का समय मिलता है, hang out करने के लिए.
It is okay. Like 1 o'clock, people go mad. They drink a lot. I mean, it's sufficient time to have drinks. Like between 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Maybe probably after 9 o'clock they start drinking, and till 1 o'clock is sufficient time. And they can go back home and sleep by 3 o'clock.
But जैसा government ने बताया, it's like they told it's a cause of rape. As they're banning it because it's cause of rape, drugs, and all that. It's right. I mean, do you think this point is right?
That is not right, because whosoever has to do it, he will surely do it, even if the time is like 6 o'clock in the morning. So.
People say government has told we are shutting it down because it's a cause of rape. Do you think it causes rape? I mean,
What causes rape? Music?
Yeah, no, not music. Girls getting out late at night. Do you think it's?
Can I use profanities?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, that's just fucking stupid. I'm sorry. Amp up your security. Don't blame us. It's not our fault.